Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Welcome to this video. The topic today we are going to see today is blood relation. So we'll be seeing few questions from each reasoning topic for some continuous days. Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said that he is the son of the only son of he is the son of the only son of my mother. How is Suresh related to the boy? Okay, let me read the question. Pointing to the photograph of a boy, Suresh said that he is the only son of my mother. How is Suresh related to the boy? So, first of all, what you have to do is, since Suresh is speaking about it, so Suresh, in the place of my, you have to put Suresh. Now, what will happen is, instead of my mother, you have to think about Suresh mother. He is the son. Okay, so he is nothing but son of Suresh. Okay, note it down. He is nothing but he is the son of Suresh. Now the question is, how is Suresh related to the boy? Now when he is the son of the Suresh, Suresh will be the father of the boy. Okay, Suresh will be the father of the boy. Are you clear? Suresh will be the father of the boy. Let me go for the third question. Next question. If A is the brother of B, if A is the brother of B, B is the sister of C, and C is the father of D, how is D related to A? Let me repeat this question. How, if A is the brother of B, B is the sister of C, C is the father of D, how is D related to E? D related to A. For example, any statement, what is understood is, in any statement, ending terms, okay, always in the ending terms, gender will be unknown. Ending alphabet, gender is unknown. Since here D's gender is unknown, we cannot exhibit any relation. So answer is cannot be determined. Answer is cannot be determined. So option D is the answer. Let me move on to the next question. Okay, next question is like this. Sorry, one second. If A plus B means A is the brother of B, A minus B means A is the sister of B, A cross B means A is the father of B, which of the following means C is the son of M? Please remember, the question is given C is the son of M. Actually here they have given a hint. Let us write that hint. When they give a question like this, C is son of, let me see that question again. C is the son of M. So we know C is male, we will represent C as plus, and M we don't know, we'll leave it on to the question. Now from the option, what we have to take is, so many options are there, M minus N. Let me take the first one alone. Okay, what is first one they are given? M minus N. I am just taking the first two things. Next, what they are given is F minus C. Option B, F minus C. Option C, N plus M. Option D, M into N. So these four are they have given. Okay, these are the first things before we start. How to start this question? Here they are given C is the, here they are given C is the son. When C is son, she should be male. Here where is male? Well, let me check the first one. A plus B means male. Where plus is coming? M minus N goes. So this one goes out. It goes out. F minus C. This also goes out. N plus M. It can be possible. M plus N. But here the relation is going to be exhibit for N. But the question they are asking only for M. So this also goes out. So answer is the fourth option. Okay, let me see the fourth option clearly. M cross N. Fourth option is M cross N minus C plus F. Minus C plus F. This is the answer. We have not solved anything, just by glancing the first two alphabets we have solved. So this is a shortcut which will be very useful. If you still want to exhibit the relation, we can write as it is. For example, M cross N, what we can write is M is the father of. Okay, let me write here. The question what is given is M, once again, M cross N minus C plus F. Okay, what is M cross N? M cross N means M is the father of What is it one? M is the father of n. Okay, M is the father of n. Okay, next step. Next one, what is you have to take is take any two at a time, n minus c. So n minus c means, what is n minus c? What they have given, let us check it out again. What is a minus b? A, the last line. Okay, a minus b means a is the sister of b. In the same way, when you go for n minus c, n is the sister of, just I am using abbreviation, sister of c. Okay, n is the sister of c. So m plus m into n is, m is the father of n. N minus c is, n is the sister of c. And the last one, what is given, the last one, c plus f. So what is given is c plus f. C plus f. What is c plus f? Plus means c is the brother of f. So c is brother of f. Now once you see this, you can understand clearly that c is the son of m. Once you see that, you will get the things. C is the son of f. Okay, so with that we can just move on to the next question. Let us move on to the next question. Fifth question. Introducing a girl, a boy. Introducing a boy, a girl said, he is the son of the daughter. He is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. He is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. So what you have to do is, in the place of my, you have to substitute girl. Now you put girl here. Girl's uncle. Girl's uncle father. Okay, girl's uncle's father. Girl's uncle's father, father of my uncle means it is grandfather. Okay, it's a grandfather. He means, since that boy you have to include here, grandfather of the boy and daughter. Okay, so they should be brothers. They should be brothers and sisters, then only possible. So he is the grandfather. So okay, uncle's grand uncle's father means grandfather. So that boy has to be brother. The boy has to be brother. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to share this video to all.